First of all, thank you very much. Thank you very much to calling me over here for an interview. I would like to explain about my company. We work as a group basically. The group was started with Shiva Computers in the name of Shiva Computers. It is 2004 we have started the company. And basically we are into completely networking, Wi-Fi and SMB segment completely. We are into that. And we have a group of companies like, we have segregate the segment basically in terms of retail, B2B business, corporate sectors and project business basically. So recently, we have signed up with Hikvision distribution for our entire wireless and SMB segment. The beautiful part is we are the exclusive distributor for the Wi-Fi segment. Everyone knows about Hikvision is a global leader for the security and surveillance product. So we are happy to tie up with those bigger companies as a distributor. So we are looking for the huge potential in the market. After the pandemic in the GITEX, we are seeing a lot of people. That is a great chance to meet each other after a very long time. Thank God. So as a company, we have very potential on the SMB and the Wi-Fi segment. So this is the way we want to drive the business basically. Yeah, GITEX is it's a wonderful event to connect people between the technology, to know about the culture, to know about the technical culture I'm talking about, and lot of innovations they are bringing into each other. Whenever we come for the GITEX, every year we see the new technology. Being in the technology field, always we always see some kind of innovation each and every year. So definitely, if the customer comes around from across all the region, to explore the different technologies and innovation of the products. So being a company, being Shiva, we always give the value to the customer on this segment actually. So we always look for the customers to take the advantage of the innovations and the current technology. We talk about why I'm telling always technology in a sense like the people starts from the we still remember that those days we start the technology like the basic Wi-Fi routers. People used to wait for 5 to 10 minutes just to connect the internet. Now people can do the surgery within 5 or 10 minutes through the AI systems actually. So this is where the technology brings from old days to the newer days actually. So this is what in few years we will see most of the routers what we are using. Most of the routers, it all comes with the AI based actually. So this is what we are looking into. And apart from that, if you talk about the SMB segment, so SMB segment is growing in UAE in a big time. So the components what we are talking about, so many brands are there, but of course there is a competition. Even the competitions are there, we put all core grade is like more than 10% per annum. So which we are achieving each and every year basically. So it's very, how to say that, it's enhancements always there in our company. So that's what we segregate our divisions, because the project business entirely different from the trading business. So this is what we always look into the positive way to the customers. Yeah, of course, it will drive because everyone knows that during the pandemic time, people used to work at home. So that is the option. That option gives only through without technology you cannot do it. So that is the video conferencing. In fact, our product is the backbone of the video conferencing and other stuffs actually. Because without Wi-Fi you cannot do it. So if the Wi-Fi is not there, if you don't have that kind of broad, how to say that, if you don't have that kind of broad networking or broad coverage, so you will not be able to work seamlessly actually. So if you cannot work with basic networks and all, because definitely the technology helps many people in the many industry. It's not only in the technology helping in only IT industry, right? So it help other industry also. So you always, that's what I said. The technology keep growing. The Wi-Fi segment and the SMB segment is keep growing on it. And moreover, we have a wide range actually, because we are not only working in UAE. We are working in across the region, Middle East, Africa, Turkey. We virtually almost working with almost more than 25 countries, and we are having more than 8,000 plus satisfied customers. So we are in this region for almost more than 17 years with the same ICT market actually. So we know all the in and out, what is the plus or minus, and what is the customer. What is the customer potential? What is the customer need? We always look. Our vision is to find the right technology, find the right product, and provide the right solution to the customers. So this is what we always look into.